Hello, people. I am Angel. You probably don't know me if you haven't watched any of my videos at all. But if you do know me, then you'll get why I'm making this video. Um, I've heard that people get scared when they first get a bird because their bird can get snippy. My bird, when I first got him, which was last year, please stop pooping on my shirt. Which I got him last year. This is him. His name is Kiwi. He likes to eat my camera. If you can see. Oh, no. Hey, can I get my phone back? Good boy. He likes to eat my phone. He likes to eat everything in the house. He's actually trying to eat his own poop. No, it's bad. Don't do that. When I first got him, he was really snippy. He hated everybody. Even my mom. He actually bit a hole into my mom's... Are you agreeing with me? Okay. He bit a hole into my mom's finger. But now, the only person he hates is, grown-ups. He likes my friend sometimes. He tolerates with my little sister. But, he's my baby. If I were to lose him, I would cry. He actually has, if you can see, one of his claws. Oh, hey. Be good. On one of his claws, he actually has a peg toe right here. Because if you lift it up, you can tell. Because it has no claw. It actually has a peg toe. But, he flies to me whenever he wants to. Like, if, when he was across my room once, he actually flew over to my shoulder wanting to follow me into the bathroom. So I was actually going to get him a cup of water so he could actually take a bath or drink it or whatever he decides to do. But yeah, here's my little bundle of joy. We actually had a pet spider, well, I did. She was a roamer. She was a brown recluse. She one time snuck into his cage and laid right next to him. He didn't feel it till he woke up and saw her right next to him. She didn't bite him. She was actually pretty much a docile spider. She chased my feet, and she was actually a wild spider when we first got her. But, I nurtured her. I mated her. And this year, she died because we checked under the bed, and she was curled up and not moving. Even if you poked her, she was dead. So we put her corpse in a box and buried her in the backyard. But basically, Kiwi is 3 years old. He lives up to 34. I got him last year. He is still a baby and is still my child. I love him so much. Oh, yes. You wanna bite me? You wanna bite me? Oh. We clip his wings, but they're growing out. We never clip his tail feathers. People, don't do that to your bird. That destroys them. Don't ever clip their tail feathers. They actually hate it when you touch them. I should know. He never lets me touch his. Unless I'm petting him. What do you see yourself and think there's another bird? Huh? Do you think there's another bird? He's checking himself in the camera on my phone. What is your... Hey. Hey. Oh, he's a good boy. He is. He's my baby. He's actually a good boy. He could, be snippy when he wants to. Like, if I was trying getting him snippy, he'd get that way. He's just nibbling. He just nibbles. Oh, I'm sorry. He loves giving kisses. He mocks people sometimes, so, yeah. But, I love him. I'm hoping to mate him with his son, Conyon. Oh, yeah. His breed, he's a pineapple Conyon. Everyone says green cheek. No, he's a pineapple. Green cheek Conyers have black beaks. And if you want to prove me wrong, go ahead and look it up. I just hate it when people tell me it's a green cheek, because no, he's not. He may have green cheeks, but he does not have a black beak. And I've seen green cheek conures. I actually looked it up. He's actually pineapple. Even his owner, his old owner, where we got him from, told me and my mother that he was a green cheek. Yeah, I looked his species up. It's not green cheek. He's a pineapple, and we made him with a sun conure. And he can't wait. So if any of you want to leave me some comments, probably subscribe, go do that now, and I'll try replying back. But this is Angel. Peace.